Come on. What? Y'all, this is not okay. This is not okay. This is not okay.
Just cover it up.
I love what it did to your hair. Check out your hair.
I was okay. I thought I was losing it. I was like,
Welcome back to Filmmakers React. I'm Tony Reale.
and I'm Ben Carlson.
And yesterday, Adobe released the first major beta release of the AI-generated integration into Photoshop.
And wow.
All right, so we played a lot with AI. We've been using Midjourney, ChatGPT, tons of AI tools. Some that we've used and gotten rid of, some that we use on a daily basis, and it's really changed everything for us.
And some within the Adobe suite already.
Yes. So this was something where I was like, okay, this is cool. Let's see how well it works. I mean, they did say that it's beta, so just a caveat that this is not perfect, but just in a little bit of like yesterday I installed it. I'm like, let's see what happens. And I'm like, Ben, you got to get in here. All right. First one we have here, this is from a project we did for JF Brennan. It was a 100-year anniversary project where we were kind of recreating the origins of the company. So I'm shooting on my red here. Anything stand out to you, Ben?
Here's the thing. I know this photo. We've looked at this. We've used this in promotional material. We showcase this video often. So I know exactly what is different.
All right, point it out.
Except I do. Here's the thing. Okay. So there are some. I feel like the compass is new.
Okay, the compass. Yep. So I'll go through. So there we go. That's with and without the compass. So the compass is gone now. There's two more.
Okay.
I'll let you know. All right, audience at home. There's two more.
The lantern was there.
Yep. We got to do a timer. Like.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
Quick. To be like, okay. All right, and your time's up.
A few moments later.
I feel like something. Is it the wheel?
Yep. You got her.
Okay.
So that wasn't there.
But the sign will. Is
the
this?
Sign was there.
Okay. Jesus. Is it the barrel?
You got it. Yep.
Holy cow.
You did it. You got all three.
Okay, but can we just click the barrel back on? Look at...
Yeah, so you had to rebuild the wood to make it feel like it was right in there.
And not only that, it put in the blocking
Yep.
to keep the barrel from moving. That's insane.
Yeah. All right. This one's got a whole bunch of fun stuff.
Okay. I am... Again, this is a photo that I have seen. There's no eagle.
Okay, I'll give you that
here.
one. Yeah, there is. No, where's the eagle? There we go. So the eagle's gone.
Okay. The tiger...
Yeah, we did not actually have a tiger on set.
I love a tiger.
But I mean, look at the reflections. Like, it isn't just that it was photoshopped in there. It's like he hugs the contours of the vehicle. There's reflections. I mean, come on. That is so stinking cool.
All right, so the dog was not part of this shoot.
Yeah, we did not have a dog on set. I'll give you that. But even so, like, I mean, look at...
Stop. What?
Like, the shadow, it's catching the main key light there.
Right.
And it is...
Adding in more balloons.
Yeah, to wrap the... That's
so it's not just like add a dog. Did you prompt it to add in balloons?
No,
you just said dog, and it said,
laying on the
ground.
There are three differences in there. Some are going to be more.
Three more?
There's three more things.
All right, so the dog is one of them.
Yeah, all right, yeah, sorry, yeah. So now we have two
more.
left.
All right, give me a hint.
One is a removal. You can prompt it and tell it to put something in, but if you prompt it and then don't put it, just leave it blank, it will remove the thing. So there's Jimmy.
Oh.
So Jimmy was in this shot.
It added a backpack. Why did it add a backpack?
Yeah, and what blows my mind is, okay, look at, this is the actual photo.
Right.
And then look at the, Jimmy's reflection on the,
here.
Yeah, so you remove him and the key light's the only thing there. It fills in where the key light should be.
All the way across.
Yeah.
Tony, what's the last one?
All right, there's one left. All right, so we'll bring Jimmy back.
So Jimmy.
It's the key light.
What? What?
So this...
No.
This is the actual key light that was there. This was an 8x8 silk that I was shooting through. And this, I was just playing around with it. What I actually did was trying to see if I could get a mirror to if it would break if I had a mirror there. So I told it to like have a reflective mirror.
Oh my gosh.
And I got mixed results. But like when I saw this one and how it, when I saw this one and how it wrapped around more set pieces around it and everything, I was like, oh my gosh, you can't tell. And then, so yeah, this is the actual light that was there.
How? This one looks more fake than the other one.
All right, you ready for the next one?
Yes. I mean, no.
Some I let be a little obvious. So, I mean, I feel like it's obvious.
You say that, and I feel like a dingo.
This is another one you've seen many times, Ben.
Right.
We use this in our promotions a lot.
Okay, is it something up
We have
at the
4
top?
total. So first things first. Yes. So that is not the ceiling of our arcade.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Is the LED lighting?
No. You're going to be taking too long. All right. So let's move on. My hat. That was the actual hat I was wearing.
But don't you have this
I
hat?
have a fedora like that. That's why I'm like, I think I can mess you up with that.
Oh my gosh. All right.
So one other thing, when we were shooting this, like, you know, we had the gaming or PCs set up, but like not everyone was going. So this computer had just the windows open on it. And I was like, oh, you know, maybe if it was more dynamic, like wallpaper instead of just blank Windows desktop.
Can you go back to? I mean, it's your beer, everything.
Yeah.
It did it flawlessly.
Yep. All right, and the last one.
Come on. Come on. What?
Yeah, she was actually wearing that track jacket, and I was like, let's
put her in a leather.
Put a nicer jacket on.
Y'all, this is not okay. This is not okay.
That's super usable. Yeah, the light, the blue light from that, the green light,
the green
from there.
ambient.
Come on,
I'm not okay with this. Holy cow! All right.
Okay.
I feel like this one is gonna be easier because I was here. I know the slide isn't there.
Okay. Yeah. So the slide. Yeah. That's actually what it was there.
But it was like, okay, it wrapped building. It wrapped everything.
It like really wrapped the boom pole. I love like how the boom pole is like keeps going.
Okay.
So no slide. I love what it did to your hair. Check out your hair.
Okay. I thought I was losing it. I was like,
that's not my hairstyle.
But you can't change. Okay. Holy cow. All right. So yeah, the talent is different.
Yeah,
I remember.
There wasn't any talent there at all. It was just we were waiting for the talent to arrive, so we took this snapshot.
2 left. The key was there. The Christmas tree on the sidewalk.
Yep. There was no Christmas tree on the sidewalk. I love how it changed the roof line too.
Yeah.
Look at that. Like the last one. Do you get the last one? Because I'm laughing at this hysterically. Because you should.
Did I have a different jacket on?
Yes, you did. Like, you don't own that jacket.
What is happening? But I look great in it.
You have a blue-ish jacket like that, but
I'm getting one now. All right, so we got Fang.
This one blew my mind for multiple reasons, and I'm excited to go break that down.
I'm going to go ahead and say the teddy bear was not there.
So that's the key thing. This in and of itself. So what blew my mind about this? Check this out.
Wait, where did you select?
So I selected, when I created the AI prompt, I selected here, and I was like, I'll just maybe Photoshop it over here, but like, I wonder. So I selected a box here, and I selected a box here, and I just said teddy bear. And it knew that was the same
That's
spot.
not okay.
I don't, like,
that's
that
not okay.
melts my brain. Like, how could it know that? Come on. I mean, it's not perfect, but at all.
I will say, especially looking at a small screen, and for those if you're watching on mobile, yes, it is perfect. I mean, that is unless you're going to spend hours dedicated to making that perfect.
Again, like I played around with it. The results were mixed. I had some like, see how it didn't probably do it there. There's a monkey.
Oh my god!
Like there, sometimes it didn't
just
show up, but then there were other times where it did.
Yeah,
and so I was like, there were a lot that I was trying to pick from.
Right.
And it was just like,
all right. Some of these are the things of nightmares, but the teddy bear that you picked, holy cow! Okay, all right. How many are there in this one?
There are 3 left.
No, there's not.
Okay, so
was there a green screen there?
Camera. You've used this. Yes, there was a green screen.
Okay.
You've used this camera.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. So there's a screen.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so we got
There's one that I'm surprised you have not noticed yet.
It's not the green screen. His feet?
The floor. You know where this studio is, Ben.
I did not know where the studio was.
It's right here. This was in our studio right here.
Stop your face. I just assumed this was on location down there.
So and again, like, it gave me a bunch of different options. Like, I could pick from. I told it a wood floor, and it gave us.
But look at how it's playing the lighting, the shadows.
I used not the content aware, but like I forget what it's called, the select subject. But on the floor. And then the last one I'll mention too is like similar to that Jimmy one. We had a ladder just leaning against here, right here. Bing, bang, boom. It's gone.
Why is it? It's putting stuff in.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
All right. This last one, you should be able to figure out pretty quick.
Okay.
But the fact that what it did just melted my brain again.
Sure. Okay. All right. Yep. All right. So we didn't have these practical here, but they do look great. I hate your face. What?
Yeah, the couch wasn't
I've
a chair.
This is one I directed.
Yeah.
This is or co-directed.
Yeah.
So no. Wait, okay.
Yeah, all I did was highlight that area, and I just said in a forest, or I don't know what my prompt was, in a forest, and it gave me some great options like this. There was this one, there was that one. There wasn't a bad option in that.
Think about how much time it would take to match up.
Yeah, the haze, the light direction.
Every branch.
Mm-hmm.
It's extending out from individual branches across the scene and then falling off exactly how it would have been. That's why I didn't even question that, because that's the scene. I was in that virtually and scouting that location, and that's exactly what it looked like.
So that's their actual AR wall there, but this is the rest of this is studio. So
Oh my goodness. Wow. This is a game changer.
This is amazing.
Yeah.
And we're in beta.
Right. And I think there's an aspect to this, though, that I know people get freaked out about AI, and they get freaked out about what it's going to take away jobs. I really think we need to pivot the conversation and say, if you're creative, or even if you're in marketing or design, don't think of it as, this is coming from my job. This is an amazing tool never before seen in human history. Imagine what this is going to do for art. Imagine being able to create worlds mixed in with reality and blending that line of what is real, what is not, which is always, you think of when the first silent films came out and people were horrified that there was an actual train coming through. It was scandalous. It really was disruptive. And I think that's what this is going to be. And to your point, yes, there will be a time where we figure out how that looks. But in the meantime, get out there and play. Get out there and create. I think it has never been more fun to be a creator with AI. There's, between Midjourney, between ChatGPT prompting Midjourney. You think about all the different steps you could use to be able to get some incredible content that is never before seen and possibly never recreated again. This is an exciting frontier I'm excited about. That's neat.
If you have a Photoshop or Adobe Suite, be sure to download the beta version. This is available now. Give it a shot. Let us know what you think.
Yeah. And if you like the video, feel free to like, subscribe, write down
all the
things, so we can keep doing more fun stuff like this. Thank you for watching.